Wild man's at the wheel. Holy sh**. What up? So what the f***'s going on here, Tex? We got this beast, look at it. It's even got F-150 personalised plates, I just noticed. What a sick rig. This is Tex's Ford F-150 kayak lugger. We're here at Harry's hut on the Noosa River. We're going to ditch the motorbikes today. We're going fucking kayaking, apparently. Yakking. Tex has got a couple of yaks. I've never driven one of these things before, so it could be interesting. So what are these? So that you say they're sea kayaks or something? Or?
Yeah, well they're classed as sea kayak. There's that one, 5 metre-y. This one's like 4.5 or something.
So they've got like little pedals and a steering wheel and shit.
Yeah.
Rudder.
Yeah.
So you can move the pedals closer and shit.
Yeah. You turn it and then slide it up or back or then lock it in.
I was just telling Tex my sunscreen's like expired 3 years ago, and he's like, "Oh, does it have an expiry date?" And he checked his, and it's 10 years. 10 years the other day.
Not quite, mate. November.
Oh, 9.5 years. Anyway, nearly ready to rock and roll. He's getting his skirt on. At least it's not pink.
Don't look up, don't look.
These things were only 30 kilos before we added all our fucking luggage and shit on. Don't fall out.
Before you take the weight off your hands.
Too easy. Oh, it's wobbly. Help. Oh yeah, I can steer. Oh. It's alright, we can sit here and film Tex getting in. Here he goes.
Put under me.
Very good, mate, very good. Do you like my kayaking get up?
You look like a fucking proper kayaker.
I feel like one. All the gear, mate, all the gear.
Except you don't have a skirt on.
Oh, how do you start it up? This is sweet, we're just like sailing, the wind's blowing us down.
Yeah, the only problem is we have to come back.
Yeah, let's worry about that when we come to it. I'm gonna see if this water's salty. Ah, it's fresh as.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not even brackish.
Tastes like tea tree.
Yeah, should be fucking no sharks in here. I can't get used to the steering. I'm going side to side. Go straight. Tex goes, do you want to go for a kayak? And I was like, I don't know how far I'll be able to paddle. And he's like, oh, I've got a tow rope just in case. I'm ready for that tow rope, bro. Hook me up. I'm not even using the rudder, I'm just steering with the oars. Yeah. Until it doesn't.
Without the skirt on, I'm like fucking 2 minutes in, I'm like, ah.
Are we stopping here?
I don't know.
Doesn't look like a beach for a swim, really.
Look at the setup on this guy.
Alright, rotating and everything.
We've got it soft out, mate. Let's have a look.
Oh, he's even got it in a plastic baggie. What? Under that? Oh, we can do that. We'll both go. You go first. How many Ks we done, Tex?
3.3.
3.3 Ks. How many Ks are we doing, Tex?
20.
And then 20 back?
As many as you can handle. I don't know how many I'm doing.
I can tell you how many I can handle. About 3.4. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not the hat.
Don't want to lose that. Yeah, I lost my favourite hat, mate.
Mate, that's proper pro level, that stuff. Pretty nice out here.
Pretty nice.
Pretty good.
That's living, Barry.
Yep. How's the Serenity? Yeah. Tex doesn't know how far we are from the fucking campsite. We've done 4Ks now.
Fucking Google doesn't say either. It says we're on land right now.
Clearly. I wonder. Oh yeah, this is even better.
Oh no, we got no coverage now.
I'm going feet out. Feet in the water.
We're going feet out and body out.
Alright, we're coming in for a rest. This is only number 3, what the fuck?
Oh, so is this one not the other one?
Oh, here we go. This is going to be fun. Just fucking roll out. See you later, boat. Oh, like a boss. Alright, here we go. Take me into you, seabird. Take me into your womb.
Accept me.
Alright, another successful launch.
Oh, one-handed.
Oh mate.
Like a fucking pro.
Oh, you're doing it the fucking advanced way.
Yeah, but usually I can't get my knees back.
Short.
Easy.
Nice.
Easy one.
Not gonna whinge or nothing, but fuck, it's hot.
It is. Time for a swim.
Here we go. Recovering the fucking paddle.
Swim like Donkey Kong.
This is G-rated, no swearing. Fuck ya. Whoa! So, where are we at now? Camp 3.
3.
Camp 3. We're gonna go and check out 4 and 5. Just around the corner.
Oh no.
And if that's nice. And then I think Josh has probably had enough paddling for today. And we're gonna hook up the tow rope.
He's keen on the tow rope. Oh, did I bring it?
He promised the tow rope. This thing will work. Don't worry about that. We found camp number 4, Sandy White Beach. Finally, the promised Sandy White Beach. Hit the anchors.
Oh, he stands up in it.
Well, it's on the ground. Yeah, boy. That water still looks a bit dodgy.
Oh yeah.
Get the skirt. Get your skirt off.
I'm too far away.
Do you want me to hold the back?
No, I'm professional.
Alright. No help.
Oh.
Oh.
Gotta get those knees up. He tried. He tried.
Ooh, yeah.
You look like you're swimming in coke, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cold.
Ooh. Ooh. Fucking Mad Dog's gonna jump out of the tree into unknown black water. Do not try this at home, folks. Just go feet first. Don't dive. You're going out to the end.
I was thinking about it, but I'll just go here.
Crack, crack, crack. It didn't sound like he hit anything.
GoPro fucking jumped out of my head.
Nice. It's a fucking swimming pool, mate. Clear water.
Not quite clear.
Go and have a look at number 4 campsite. Did you say it's wicked?
Yeah, look at it. Freaking awesome.
Huge.
That's it, but.
Yeah, nothing, no facilities. There was toilet and water at the other one.
There's a couple of tracks going off. I think they go to the shitter.
One single rock.
You can just stand into it.
Should be.
But maybe not.
You just got to make sure you look cool in your hat. Then you're sorted.
That's the key. Oh.
Too easy.
That's way too easy.
Oh, I better go back to my camera.
Can you get it? Or not?
Yeah, I think so.
See, I usually just do the old paddle trick.
Show us the paddle trick.
You put the paddle on the back like that, grab it, then you can fucking sit in.
Oh, yeah.
You just slide her in, mate.
That's what she said.
She loves it.
Booyah. Oh, look at the fucking wind coming up.
You probably still don't need the fucking, but just because it's there, right?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Uh-oh.
Oh, you hit the fucking. Oh, I tried to go in between her, but
Oh,
that friggin' stick pushed me off.
crash. Got fucking gale force headwinds right now.
Yeah, I can splash myself.
Chronic. We're so close. Stroke, 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 stroke. Just go on without me, man. I'm not going to make it. Alright, alright, I can do this.
Oh, so graceful.
Right, look at those lily white legs.
That was easy. Oh.
Mwah, mwah.
Only 15 k's, mate.
15 k's
Yeah.
against the wind,
Uphill.
uphill. I could just about jump in there, but I don't like the look of it.
Why not? It's the same as up there.
Blacker than your mum's butthole. Rudder. Oh,
All rutted.
broke it.
All rutted up, mate. That tree doesn't looks a bit hollow on the branch. Oh! Probably horsey too, eh? Horsey for the win.
Oh, thanks for that, mate. That was fucking awesome.
It's alright.
Apart from the pain.
The
What do you mean it was alright? Didn't you have fun?
Yeah, alright, man. But yeah, I'm gonna be sore, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. That's alright. No pain, no gain, mate.
Oh, fucking little turkey over there, mate. Little scrub.
Jive turkey.
Scrub, bush, whatever it is.
Let's swim. The beach that was actually promised,
No problem.
and he came through with it.
No
That was
promises.
the highlight.
Will it start? No.
Oh. Turkey.
Just joking. I tried to start it with the fucking fuel pump off. So we just gun it out of here or what?
Fucking A.
It's day uses, mate.
Oh, he's tweaking the turbo.
He's
Oh, a cigarette
he's
lighter.
tweaking the dash, mate. I think we don't have oncoming traffic.
It's probably a good thing. Alrighty, trendsetters, thanks for watching. See you later, Tex.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Link's up there. The juice is worth the squeeze.
It's not worth it.
There you guys.